Secretary of the Ministry of Science and Technology, Dr. S. Chandrasekhar inaugurated the Indo-French workshop on clean and sustainable energy technologies at CSIR-National Fiscal Laboratory in New Delhi recently. He said that India wants more cooperation with France in the field of clean energy. Dr. Chandrasekhar also outlined the plans of the central government for green transitioning to electric vehicles and hydrogen energy. It is important to note that the Indian renewable energy sector ranks fourth on the list of the world's most attractive renewable energy sectors, and solar energy is the most prominent source of renewable energy in the country. The government of India has set a target of installing 100 gigawatt of solar power in 2022. Apart from this, the national biofuel policy aims to achieve a 20% blending of ethanol in petrol and a 5% blending of biodiesel in diesel by 2030. In her address, Director General CSIR and Secretary DSIR, Dr. N. Kalaiselvi said that India needs a huge boost in the manufacturing of renewable energy technologies and infrastructure.